Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint the present attachment for my Gnome kit. I'm going to go in first with Honky Tonk Red and base coat my present. All the colors I use throughout this video are Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase on our website, along with the brushes I use and these cutouts that I'm painting. And our website is buildacross.com. I'm going in now with Evergreen and I'm painting the ribbon on my present. After that, I'm going to go in with putty and paint the gnome's hands, and then I'm going to allow everything plenty of time to dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. And then once I'm finished outlining, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round from the brush pack on our website and the color cotton, and I'm going to highlight everything. Just kind of following the natural curves of my cutout here, and this just kind of softens my product and brightens it up. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.